What is up, guys? Today I got something super cool. It's right here, the new MacBook Pro. It's going to be freaking sweet. I'm super excited for it. Originally, I had the MacBook Air, which is right here, MacBook Air. So that's cool, not bad at all, but the Pro I think is going to be a little bit better. Going to be pretty cool. So let's take a look here. Yeah. And sorry for any of the mess behind me. I'm also in the process of moving. So let's dive into the unboxing real quick. Let's go. All right, here we are with the new MacBook Pro. This is the M3 Pro version 2023. It's 18 gigabyte RAM and 512 gigabyte memory. If I flip this over, you can see right here the specs: 14-inch MacBook, M3 Pro chip. That's pretty cool. All right, so here's the box. I have opened this once, so this was opened already. But currently you can see this. It's packed in there nicely. Let's see if I can get this out now. All right, we'll set that aside for a second. Here is your normal USB-C and the charging port. So that's nice. We've got designed by Apple, California, some instructions, whatever, and then just the charging block. So that is that. Easy enough. All right, first impressions, it does feel heavier. So I previously had a MacBook Air. I currently still have it, but this computer is definitely heavier than that. Let's see, it is a little bit thicker. So if you can see that, there's HDMI, a micro SD port, and a USB-C. And then on the other side, there's another 2 USB-C ports, a microphone jack, and the charging port. So overall, I mean, it looks pretty nice. Overall, it's really nice. So like here, I really like keyboard. Speakers are supposed to be much better in this one. Trackpad's about the same as what I'm used to on the MacBook Air. And there's a film over this that I can take off. And this is supposed to be the perk. This is supposed to be the perk, as this screen is supposed to be really great. So I'll let you guys know. Thanks for watching. If you can, leave a comment, like, subscribe, let me know what I could do better. This is my first video, so yeah, let me know. Thanks.